morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1816th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Traders. This video coming at you on a Tuesday night for Trading Wednesday, that is August 15th, 2018. Traders, what do we have on this board? We've got a red Omni on the board, but it's not for the emini S&P in particular. In this case, it's for gold, silver, and copper, precious metals. Traders, this game is extremely risky. You must know that. If you don't know the risks behind this game, they're huge, so be careful. You've got to have risk capital to lose if you're going to play this game. Do not trade with your mortgage money. Put stops in first, and come on down to livewithoscar.com. Hang out with me in my live trading room, and I'll help keep you in check and teach you how these markets operate. So, red Omni for gold, silver, and copper, and we might actually buy a dip in the Russell 2000, not S&P, not NASDAQ. In the Russell 2000, we may be buying a dip on Wednesday. I'll let you know how that sets up. The relentless attack on precious metals by the almighty US dollar is relentless. It just won't stop. It just comes in waves. The gold is getting hammered. The silver is getting hammered. The copper is getting hammered. And you should not be a buyer of these instruments. I have been saying the hunt is on in gold for as many videos back now as I can remember. I've had maybe 3 buy recommendations in gold this year. Everything else has been to sell gold. And it is continuing to drop throughout the entire year so far. It should continue to drop. Well, of course, you get some rallies every now and then, but you should continue to drop further, especially if this dollar continues to be the almighty dollar that it is and continues to rally. Now, I've been showing you, Omniacs, what's called the cup and handle formation in the dollar, and that it should break out. When it does, it should run much higher, and that has happened, and we've broken out of the cup and handle, which is putting a great deal of pressure on your precious metals. So I'll show you some charts that will convince you that the gold, silver, and copper need to go lower. I've got a Russell chart to show you that you've got to be very quick. If we do buy and it rallies up, we will take our profits and sidestep. That's Russell. The precious metals we'll try to sell. And we've got some grains trades lined up, which I won't tell you about here. You'll get them if you come to my trading room at livewithoscar.com. Before we get into the charts, traders, I've got 3 open seats. I've got an Omni camp coming at the end of September. It is now getting close. This is the middle of August. Next month is OmniCamp. If you want to get out to Vegas, you need to contact me. Come to livewithoscar.com. Fill out your OmniCamp applications. If you'd like to call me, just give me a buzz, 702-629-4755, and I'll qualify you for one of the remaining seats for this September's OmniCamp. Don't miss it. Time is ticking. Act now. With no further ado, let's go look at some charts. Traders, Russell 2000 daily bar chart, your 50 bar moving average. Fantastic hold, right? Big rally. Fantastic hold, big rally. Gets under here, but then it does hold. Look what it does when it comes back. It only got under there once. Ran back up. Omni's green. And we are back above this average. Now, see the question mark there? You can rally up and hit that trend line like you did before and turn around and dump, but that would bring us over 1,700. So it's a good day trade. If we get filled down here somewhere and it rallies up to the 1,700 mark, makes it a great day trade anyway, but we will be jumping out because I don't know what's going to happen there, and I'm not willing to put your money or mine on staying long past that trend line. But I don't mind buying and having it rally up to that trend line first, where I would take some profits. So we're looking at the Russell in that fashion for trading on Wednesday. Dow Jones Transportation Average is backing up my theory. Why? Major trend line here. This is do or die territory. I pointed this exact same chart out to you in a video a few weeks back. I called this do or die territory, and we broke. We came back up. We got back to do or die territory, made it above. Interesting. Then what did it do? It came back down, it hit it again, and took off. And now it's here. So it is holding this line like it got above it here, unlike it could do here or there. This is different. This gives confirmation to my Russell buy. I say we buy the dips in Russell for trading on Wednesday. Then you've got gold. Let's move out to the precious metals traders. The relentless attack on gold and precious metals by the almighty dollar. I've been showing you this very same chart in so many videos now I can't count them. Bear flag breakdown, bear flag breakdown, bear flag breakdown. Another one I didn't draw in, bear flag breakdown. And here we are now breaking down from another consolidation period. And in fact, if you pulled up a live chart right now, we'd be all the way down here. It's already down a few dollars since the market opened at 6 p.m. this evening for trading on Wednesday evening. So on Tuesday evening for Wednesday's trading session. So you've already got gold down a little. You've got the dollar rallying. I will absolutely be selling rallies in gold once again if I can for Wednesday. Look at your silver. Relentless downward channel. Keeps doing the same thing. That is a big bear flag that breaks down. There was another one right up here that you can't see because it was above the chart. And in the same fashion as gold, dollar rallying is just putting serious weight on our precious metals. Look at copper. No different there. The copper getting slammed. Had a nice fat rally a few months ago, and since then it is just getting slammed inside of a channel. Bearish looking formation. If you had to call this a baby head and shoulders, which you probably can, it would be a continuation pattern in the same direction that it's in now because it's small. We are expecting more downside in copper, silver, and gold. Then you've got your reasoning. Why would the precious metals be getting hammered so badly? First, the cup or the base built, which is a cup. It's what we call it in technical analysis, but basically a consolidation base. The cup. The handle. The breakout. It has really worked well. Cup, handle. I was showing this to you while the cup was building. I showed it to you the entire time the handle was building. I kept claiming the dollar will move higher, and this is what happened so far. That's on your daily. Look at the dollar on a weekly basis. Inverted head and shoulders absolutely positively coincides with what I just showed you in the cup and handle. This has a projection much higher as well. So daily and weekly in the US dollar looks to me like it's going to continue to put pressure on the precious metals. So traders, you've seen the charts. You've got my technical reasoning why we've got the red OMNI up for precious metals. Why we could absolutely look to possibly get long, buy a dip, and get out in the Russell. The almighty dollar, baby, strong as can be, and it will not change. That's what I'm expecting to continue to see. Dollar strength, euro weakness, metals weakness, great for our economy. Why would it be great for our economy? Because things that are made out of these metals, copper, silver, and gold, get cheaper and cheaper as the price of the dollar goes up. Why is the dollar going up? Because the USA has the best economy on the planet right now. And if you from Canada or from Russia or from China or from anywhere, if you'd like to participate in the party we got going on here, guess what you need to buy? US dollars. You need to convert your currency to US dollars to play or come to our party in the US. That's why the dollar is maintaining and gaining more strength. Plus, the only country on the planet right now that you can get a strongly positive interest rate return on money parked in the bank. You're not getting that elsewhere either. How do you get that? You buy US dollars and then buy bonds or whatever instrument you want to collect interest on. That's why our dollar's moving. That's what's keeping it strong. That is the relentless attack on the precious metals. That's my show for you this evening. This is my analysis for tomorrow. Join me at livewithoscar.com. Don't forget, fill out your OmniCamp applications because we're running out of time. I will see you at the site. Remember, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do, in my opinion, to help keep those emotions at bay, and I know that's not going to be easy, but try this. Say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening. And you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and Roll Traders Live with Oscar.com. I'll see you there. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.